Hi, my name is Ben Ross. I am 22 years old. I'm a Sodexo apprentice and I'm currently working towards completing my Advanced Diploma in Manufacturing Engineering. So I'm just over 2 years into my apprenticeship. I've gained a huge amount of knowledge and experience in how the maintenance aspect in facility management plays a significant role. This includes holding an understanding of how every piece of machinery works and how to actually properly maintain it. In the last few months of my apprenticeship, I've progressed onto not knowing just how the machinery and systems work, but also what impact they can cause if modified or a change is put in place. On top of this, I've also completed my level 3 BTEC course in Advanced Manufacturing Engineering, which covered material primary processes, CAD, which is like computer aided drawing, the business operations, mechanical further maths, health and safety, and personally, throughout my apprenticeship, I feel as though I've become more of a confident and positive person overall. I recently completed the GVC drone flying course, which will allow me to complete risk assessments and roof inspections using thermal imaging and also film areas on site which are inaccessible on foot. I'll be one of the few to legally fly this drone commercially on my site at work. So during my time with Total People, I've never lost enthusiasm to continue building my engineering knowledge and completing any necessary coursework. Being with Total People has also kept me driven to become a fully qualified technician.